Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. أنا اسمي أحمد كاشف. هذا قناة طبي. Now I'll show you how to make it. We're gonna use wet tissue to make a mask. Wash with water. We're gonna use rubber band and wet tissue and stapler. All you have to do is turn it like this. First you have to put the stapler right here. Take one rubber band and flip it here and do like this. And the second one. So this is how you make a mask.